Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing one of the most futuristic smartphone concepts of the decade, the Nokia Flying Camera Phone. Yes, you heard that right, a smartphone with a detachable drone camera built inside. Powered by the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, a 50MP advanced camera system, and blazing fast 5G speeds, this device aims to redefine what a smartphone can do. So, let's dive into the full review and see if Nokia is really making a comeback with this bold innovation. Design and build. The moment you hold the Nokia drone phone, you know it's different. The rear camera module serves a dual purpose. It slides out and unfolds into a mini drone. Nokia has cleverly engineered a lightweight but durable magnesium carbon body so the drone can lift off without adding too much bulk. The phone itself feels premium. Matte finish. Slim profile despite mechanical parts. Metallic frame for durability. Nokia's build quality has always been solid, and here, they push engineering creativity to a whole new level. The flying camera technology. Alright, the star of the show, the detachable drone camera. The moment you activate drone mode, the 50MP module pops out, unfolds its micropropellers, and takes off. Think of it as your personal pocket drone. Key features. Autonomous flight modes, follow me, circle shot, panorama hover. Obstacle detection using mini LiDAR sensors. Real-time tracking with AI stabilization. 4K flying video recording. 50MP still photography with Zeiss-style optics. This essentially lets you capture angles no regular smartphone can achieve, overhead views, cinematic travel shots, and group photos without the need for a selfie stick or drone controller. Is it a gimmick? Maybe. But it's also seriously fun and surprisingly useful. Standard camera performance. Even when not flying, the Nokia drone phone performs like a modern flagship. The 50MP main sensor delivers sharp, natural photos with improved HDR and low-light performance. The ultra-wide lens and telephoto module add flexibility, while AI optimization keeps colors realistic without oversaturation. Nokia's image processing has improved significantly, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2's ISP helps maintain clarity and sharpness. Performance and 5G speed. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, performance is flagship grade. Smooth gaming. Zero lag multitasking. Better heat management than previous generations. Super fast 5G speeds for uploading drone footage on the go. The combination of the new CPU, upgraded GPU, and AI engine delivers a responsive and smooth user experience. Battery and charging. The real surprise is battery efficiency. Nokia uses a dual-cell 5500 mAh setup, one for the phone, and a microcell dedicated to the drone module. You get full-day phone usage. Around 15 to 18 minutes of drone flight time. Fast charging up to 80 W. Wireless charging support. Smart battery management ensures the drone charges automatically when docked back into the phone. Pros and cons. Pros. Innovative flying camera system. Flagship level performance. Sharp 50MP lens with 4K drone video. Premium build. Strong battery life and fast charging. Cons. Moving parts mean higher repair costs. Drone flight time is limited. The concept may not appeal to all users. Final verdict. So, is the Nokia Flying Camera Phone worth it? If you're a content creator, traveler, blogger, or someone who loves futuristic tech, absolutely, this phone is unlike anything on the market. Nokia has managed to merge smartphone convenience with drone creativity in a way that feels fresh and exciting. It won't replace a professional drone, but for daily creative shots and unique angles, it's a game changer. Let me know in the comments, would you buy a phone with a detachable flying camera? Thanks for watching and meet in the next video.